The new Bentley Mulsanne gets faster, longer, and, of course, even more luxurious. Bentley is not one to restrain alternatives, therefore the new sled offers 24 shroud hues alongside 13 unique facade for trim. A determination of outside hues is additionally offered from the manufacturing plant, yet in the event that you have the cash, the organization will paint it any way you need with the personalization alternative. The new Bentley Mulsanne gets faster, longer, and, of course, even more luxurious. A new infotainment framework is in the dash, while wellbeing highlights like impact moderation will at long last show up on the lead. Secondary lounge travelers approach a couple of Android tablets. 4G, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will keep you associated. Concerning the expanded wheelbase form, Bentley made new aircraft-style seats with retractable footstools and fly-out work tables for chauffeured travelers. An inside comfort isolates the seats with stuff like USB ports, pen holders, container holders and a glass-secured capacity territory. The additional length in the broadened wheelbase form is around 10 inches. We'll discover more 1 month from now at the Geneva Pier. Ideally we'll get valuing then, as well. The current Mulsanne is about $300,000. We don't anticipate that the new one will straight to a long way from that before the customization begins. At any rate, Bentley Mulsanne MSRP $303,700 base MPG 11/18 city/HWY research Bentley Mulsanne. Jake Lynchman.